trying to get it as far as I can away from it.
I mean, almost about the same damage.
Look at the back.
Nah, hell no, though.
Oh my God! Look at the back. Let's look at the back, guys. Oh no, that's a big difference.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference.
That's about a ½ inch push out.
Yeah.
Is it through?
Compared to this one over here.
Oh, it's through. There's a puncture right here. Is there?
Yes.
Nah, I didn't go through. It just stopped. Just pushed everything out. Yeah. No, it didn't go through.
No, there's no more. That ballistic gel's there.
Yeah. That plexiglass.
Oh, look. Yeah, it did go through.
No, it's just push. You're pushing it through now.
Pushing the.
Yeah.
Push it. All right.
We're going back to caveman days.
Here we go.
The rock broke.
The rock broke.
The rock broke.
All right, next round's gonna be a 300 blackout. They're 120 grain. So basically, same thing as a 5.56, basically, right?
Pretty much.
Or the 223. That's a bulge on the 223. There's a bulge on the 300 blackout. Really ain't much. Next one's gonna be a 7.62 by 39 AK out of the Draco. I don't have no faith in it. Hell, it's the same exact thing as like the 5.56, like the 300 blackouts, doing the same shit. Nothing, just pushed it.
Oh man.
It didn't go through?
Nope.
It's got a big push.
It got the biggest push.
That's the biggest push out.
Okay.
That's for damn sure.
Now let's do it with my rifle.
No, my 270.
More velocity.
No, yeah, 'cause that's
yeah,
Oh, longer
bigger
barrel,
barrel.
more velocity. All right, cool.
Here.
Free. Next one's gonna be another AK round, but out of a full size. That Draco, I don't think it had enough velocity to go out through the back, but let's see what this one does. Try to look for a clear spot, Steven.
Oh, that's the floor. Oh. Hey, you shot me. Hey. Oh, you shot me.
But this is my AK.
Yep. Went through. That was yours right there.
Yeah, the first one.
There's your first one down there. Here's the second one.
Hey,
Right through.
in and out. In and out? In and out. They can't. They can't. They hit him in the chest.
Even the back, even the bottom one went in and out, Steven.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you did hit it the first time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Whoa.
look, mine went in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that home. Yep. So,
All right.
not ready.
Next is gonna be out of 270, out of Tom Smith rifle.
All the way in now.
Your AK was that one over there, right?
No,
Yeah.
my AK's right there. That one right there.
That one right there, yeah.
This is the
That's
other-
Steven's AK, and then there's the 270. Beat you 1 fucking inch hole all the way around, bro. Took the tree and everything. Look at how the tree's full of glass back here. Look at all that glass and dust.
Whoa. You could see it sparking.
All right, good video, guys. So we ended out. So what? AK with a full barrel is the only one that takes it.
Yep. And the 270. And your 270.
And the 270. Well, I knew the 270 was gonna go through it, but
Ready? That's too close.
All right.
all right. End off the video there. That's a wrap.